He's taller. He's heavier. 4, 5. I think he's going to get up. 6 and 7. He's out. 9.
Isa sa pinakamakasaysayang laban ni Manny Pacquiao ay noong kinasahan niya ang mas malaki at mas patangkad na Meksikanong si Brandon Bambam Rios. Noong November 24, 2016 ang kanilang laban at makikitang ginawang walking punching bag lang ni Pacman itong hambog na kalaban.
1, 2, 3, 4 punches. Once he gets Brandon Rios on the defense, he just keeps his hands moving.
These 5-punch combinations. Once he gets Brandon on the defense, he forces Brandon to keep his hands at home, and that way Brandon can cause Pacquiao no harm because he won't punch or fight, which has been the counter left and the straight left lead. That was a counter left, there's a counter left, or types of trouble all night long, especially off of
Manny Pacquiao!
Pero may batang Pinoy boxer din pala ang lumaban bilang undercard ng Pacman Rios na bakbakan. Maagang nagpasikat sa ating pambansang kamao. Ito ay ang tubong Cagayan de Oro. Binansagang hammer dahil sa lakas ng suntok. Ito ay si Hermonito de la Torre. Sa undercard ng Pacman Rios ay nakalaban ni de la Torre ang tinaguriang Mike Tyson ng bansang Indonesia na si Jason Butar-Butar. Ginawa ang laban sa Macau, China at nakaschedule lang sa 6 na rounds. Bit-bit ng Pinoy dito ang malinis na record na 10 wins, 0 loss, 5 via knockout at may edad na 19. Habang 16 wins, 11 losses, 1 draw. 12 dito via knockout naman ang Alyas Tyson ng Indonesia. 25 ang edad at dati na din palang naging Indonesian featherweight champion. Pero sa kanilang laban ay walang binatbat itong binansagang Tyson ng Indonesia sa Pinoy alias Hammer dahil maagang minartilyo ni Kabayan ang panga nitong Indonesian. Lupaypay ang inabot mula sa kamao ng tubong Cagayan de Oro. Ating balikan ang maaksyon nilang laban.
He maintains a record of 15 victories against 11 losses, 1 draw, and 11 of those victories coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Jakarta, Indonesia, Jason Butar. He enters the ring an undefeated fighter with 10 victories. 5 of those victories coming by way of knockout. Representing General Santos City, the Philippines, Armonito de la Torre.
Around the world, toprank.com, you get a chance to see all the lead-up shows, the big ones here in the Showtime Arena. Glad that you can be with us. Manny Pacquiao will do battle with Brandon Rios a little bit later on, but right now, enjoy the undercard. This guy runs the high mountains with Manny Pacquiao and he beats him up there. Good amateur background, 47 fights. Get this, 40 knockouts, 47 amateur fights. Very good boxer with a lot of power. Heavier, he's younger at 19, and he has a 3.5-inch advantage. Of course, his idol is Chris John, the 12-year champion down there. But he's not setting here. The Venetian Hotel in Macau will run away. Again, Armonito de la Torre. That's Dan Rice is the third. Hey, you better be ready to attack. That time he does. Nice left hook, body shots now. Those took their toll. Beautiful Cotai Arena. It's Sunday morning here and it's early. These fighters had to adjust the must system. No standing 8 count. No 3 knockdown. The fighter cannot be saved with the bell in any round. Hi, to Colonel Bob Sheridan here. You're watching TopRank.com. You know, we get all kinds of features on our fighters throughout the course of the evening, and with Brandon Rios and, of course, Manny Pacquiao. However, the Billy Dibbs fireworks in that one as well. But right now, we get a couple of years and one with 11 knockouts. So when he hits, right, nice looping right hand by De La Torre. Good friendly promoters down in Melbourne. Almost everything he hits. Showtime Arena. There he nailed a decent shot. Follows up with a hard body shot. And it goes into the books. Buddha, his eyes are clear. Nice stiff jab. As the overhand right kind of grazes him. Here we go with round number 3. In the black trunks, of course, is De La Torre. He looks like he wants to pick it up. That's a slip. Now you notice that everything on the tail of the tape favors De La Torre. He's taller, he's heavier. And now I think he's gonna get up. 6 and 7, he's out. 9, it's all. So the shot hit him. I didn't think it was gonna be an ending shot. Referee kind of indecisive, I should say, at the end of the fight. So we call what we saw.
Reaches a count of 10 with an official time of 1 minute, 23 seconds of round number 3. Your winner, by way of knockout, still undefeated,
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.